Good morning, everybody. So the plan for this morning was to go roller skiing, but there is some white crap on the ground outside, so I don't think I can do it. When you're going to work out, this kind of middle weather I call it, when you can't actually run or use a bicycle or roller ski because there is just a little bit of snow, and also you cannot ski because there is not enough snow. So the only way to work out is like to go to the gym. But for now, breakfast. Okay, so what are we doing today?
We need to change the tires on the Saab.
Yeah, you're right, we do need to change the tires. What more do we need to do?
Go out and play in the snow.
Yeah, we need to go out and play in the snow. That's a good plan. Do you like the snow?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Okay, let's go outside and play in the snow.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So we are outside, and actually it's snowing. It is really nice. I'm thinking that William will have to clean up here. Here you go. Clean this shit up. All the snow should be gone in an hour.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
What are you doing? Seems like he's not interested in working. Should we roll a ball? Oh my god, there is so much snow pouring down. Where is all this coming from? Yeah, I guess the winter is here, but I'm speculating in the fact that in just like 2 weeks time we will have 10 degrees again, warm and wet. But I hope the winter stays, but it has never happened before, so let's find out. So, what do you want to do?
Ride the snow racer.
That's a good idea. Should we go to Bananparken?
No.
Not steep enough, huh? Okay, we're gonna work this out, and also gonna switch to the GoPro, cause I don't know how much snow or water the Canon camera can take. So let's switch. So, got some snow away from the car. I did not take the GoPro. The iPhone will do. Let's find your snow racer, shall we? Here it is. Let's go.
Let's go.
For some reason my iPhone keeps dying because of the cold. It is only like 1 degree below, but still it keeps dying. So that sucks. I'm going to have to check that out. So therefore there will not be much footage from this ski trip. Yeah, so we're back inside, and I don't know how much video I even got out there, cause my iPhone, it decided to mess around as soon as the temperature went from like plus 20 in my pocket to 1 below. It started saying it had no battery, but I had like 85% battery. What? Also, we have some login issues with one of the iPads. I'm gonna help my kid, and also time to upload the vlog to YouTube from yesterday. So I'm gonna do that and help my kid, have some lunch, and then we see how we're doing with the blizzard. Lunch is over. Time to go out and do some downhill with the Pulka and snow racer. We still have some amazing weather, and the kids are psyched, to say the least. Stop fighting! This time we're taking the GoPro. The iPhone cannot be trusted.
My name is Lynn, and this is Jackass.
Mamma, kan du vänta mer?
Yeah, we're back home. Just getting some snacks here. And I just started to import all the footage for today. I also took some stills, not only videos. I can show you some of the stills right here. What are you doing? I mean, we had this plan all along that we should switch the tires for the car. I was thinking I was gonna go work out. I still ended up doing nothing of that. So now it's evening, and you wanna close the vlog for today? Come here, come here. Goodbye. See you another day. Ciao. We're going to mount it right there. First shot ever. Yay! High five! And that is a mission accomplished. Let's play. Way! High five!